Hello, I'm Mrs. B at Tea with Mrs. B, and this is Manners in a Minute. Here we have a casual place setting. This would be used for meals at home during quarantine. And although it is less fancy, there is still plenty of room to shine with good manners and grace. So when you sit down to any table, it's a kind gesture to wait behind your chair for those who are dining with you. Take the lead from the host or the cook when they say, "Please be seated." When you sit down, use your napkin first and foremost, and then be sure to use your cutlery, American style or European. Now there are plenty of finger foods at casual meals, like chips and salsa, bread, chicken fingers. When you're eating these things, it's very important that you take the portion from the communal dish and put it onto your plate and eat from there. Never dive into the middle. If you're using your fingers, do not lick them. That could be so gross to see. So use your napkin instead. Now, if you've enjoyed this, please stay tuned for much more tips and tricks.